Oh, man.
Oh, slightly leggy. Ah, suplex. I'll got one for you.
Look out. Now it is show-off time. Don't waste time floating here.
Okay, Rey Mysterio walking around like a fool. Yeah, that's really Rey Mysterio.
The action is
James Brown slap.
serious, and this one is expected. Tornado tag team matches rarely take a slow pace. Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there. Avoids the impact there. And there's the face buster.
Ow. Ooh.
Quick thinking to avoid that. My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack. He takes to the air. Wow! So much on the line in this one, and like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in WWE. That's something I learned early on in my stay here in the WWE. It's got to be over now. Wow, he's still down after that. Back in the ring now. Yeah, let's just see how long they can keep it in the ring.
Springboard
Not
son
today,
of a...
too fast. Oh, head first.
You springboarded on your screen, right?
Easy. We're looking at complete
Hello?
domination here. Ooh, that one hit the mark.
Shit.
Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Here we go. And that's it. He gave everything he had, but
Big
down after that.
Taurus.
How long there?
Cam. Happened on my screen. This is what happened on my screen after this punk springboarded. Splat.